How's it going, guys? Today we're going to be going over DFS. In my last video I went over BFS in 5 minutes, so today it's the same deal. Give me 5 minutes and you will understand DFS. With that being said, let's get into the video.
I don't really care if you cry. Don't really should've never lied. Should've saw the way she looked me in my eyes. She said, baby, I am not afraid to die.
Okay guys, today we're going to go over a problem called keys and rooms. The problem description sounds a little confusing, but we're going to simplify it. It's going to make a lot of sense. So it says there are n rooms and you start in room 0. Each room has a distinct number in 0, 1, 2, up to n minus 1, and each room may have some keys to access the next room. So formally, each room I has a list of keys rooms I, and each key rooms ij is an integer between 0 and n minus 1, where n equals the room's length. And a key rooms ij equals v opens the room with room number v. And initially all the doors are locked and we're starting in room 0. So all that mumbo jumbo is really saying we have a list of rooms, we're starting in the first room, each room has a set of keys, and we're trying to see if we can get from the first room to the last room. That's it. Okay, so this is a classic DFS problem. All we need to do is try and access each of these rooms, with each of the keys in each of the rooms, and see if we can get to the last room. So the way we're going to do that is first we have to keep track of the rooms that we visited. Okay, so we're going to make a visited variable, and it's going to be a hash set. So we can keep track of all the rooms that we've actually gone into. So we're going to say hash set integer, and this is going to be called visited equals new hash set. Awesome. So now we said we start in room 0, right? So let's add room 0 to our visited set. So we'll say visited.add 0. Cool. Now the next thing is in DFS, we always need a stack, okay? And the stack here is going to represent all the rooms that we have access to at any moment. So we're going to say stack. It's going to hold integers because, again, the rooms are integers. We're going to call this stack equals new stack. And again, what room do we have access to right now? We said we start in room 0, so we need to add room 0 to our stack. So we say stack.add 0. Okay. And we said we need to try and get from the first room to the last room. So while we have rooms we can access, right? So whatever is in our stack, in other words, while we have stuff in our stack, we can keep trying to get to other rooms. So we could say while our stack is not empty, we can try, we can try and get into other rooms, right? Cool. So each room also has, do I have an extra parenthesis? There we go. So each room also has a set of keys associating with it, right? So what we can do is we can get the keys associated with the current room that we have access to. So let's do that. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna say list of integers, and these are gonna be our keys, equals rooms.get stack.pop. So again, the stack is gonna hold rooms that we have access to. So we're gonna pop something from the stack and get from this rooms list, or this list of lists, the keys that the keys that are in that room. Okay, cool. So now, all we need to do now is try all the keys in that room, right? So we're gonna say for int key, in all the keys that are in this room that we're in right now. And all we wanna do is we wanna go into that room, right? We wanna try and traverse that room if we haven't already gone there. So it's as simple as saying if visited does not contain our key that we're on, we're going to say visited.add key, and then also, right, if we're going to visit that room, that means we have access to it, so we need to put it into our stack. So we'll say stack.add key. And so now once this entire loop terminates, we will have visited a certain number of rooms, right? Supposedly. That's what our logic is doing. So we're going to try and go into all these rooms, and the way we can check if we've actually accessed the last room is we just need to check if our visited array is the same size as the number of rooms we have. So we could say simply return visited.size is equal to rooms.size. And that should just about do it, guys. Not? Aha, contains. Sorry. Okay. And there we go. So that does it. So guys, if that made sense, do me a favor, leave this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more. I hope this made sense. I hope you guys get DFS now. See you guys next time.
Yeah.